What's going on, everybody? Mark Fleetwood here. Welcome back to Daily Grind Trader. Today I've got a warning for all new investors, all regarding the Super Bowl and the amount of advertisement that's going to be in the Super Bowl. Also, I'm going to give an update on the trading challenge. So with that being said, we're going to hop into the trading log. Let's look. It was a rough start. It was a very rough start to this. 3 out of 4 losses with a break even in the 5th trade, but then we go 3 out of 4 wins. And look at the difference in the percentages. 11% loss, 27% win, 15% loss, 25% loss, 42% win, 28% win, 56% win. And the most recent loss in Ethereum was only a 5% win, or only a 5% loss. And currently still in a trade on Bitcoin, but this Bitcoin is going to be guaranteed as a win because I have a profit stop set. So now I'm guaranteed to be in profit with no chance of a loss. Now the only question is going to be how much profit do I get? And we're going to hop into the charts here. Bitcoin currently sitting here at where are we at? 42,128, and entered up here at 42,790. So the big switch, the big swing, or where I lost 3 out of 4 to winning 3 out of 4, was a switch in mindset and a switch in the mentality of the trade and what I was using as a trigger. I have started to switch to using support resistance lines with wick off of either the support resistance or the support resistance with a rejection of a moving average. So here we had a rejection of the 21, or excuse me, the rejection of the 50 period moving average that brought the price all the way back down to the support resistance line, and then it started to reject off of that support resistance. So that was my entry trigger. So we had a rejection of the 50-day, rejection of the support resistance, and on a broader scale, from here to here, from peak to peak, we made a hidden bearish divergence. So that is everything I'm looking for. And then after that came the big ass candle, this big dump candle. So we were immediately in a good range of profit. So with that being said, I moved my profit stop to the 21-day moving average, the white line, currently sitting at 42,645. So guaranteed profit in hourly. If the price doesn't start to dump down deeper, I will selectively move my profit stop lower, further into profit as the moving average moves down. Real quick, Luna was a big trade, a big win. And again, now this wedge, I did draw the wedge, and that's what I had been looking at before, but that's not what caused me to enter the trade. It was to break below the support resistance, a retest and a rejection off the support resistance, entering, and then coming down, and then getting a very quick run, a very quick 56% profit. So that was a big winner. VET, again, VET came down, rejected off the support resistance line, and rejected twice, and then had one big sell down candle, and that was all it took. That was a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio with a 28% win. So I mean, I could have gone farther. I think actually my initial trade was set to try to come down to the 200, or try to get down to 608, but this long wick up made me think that the price action was bottoming out, and then it broke back above this support resistance line. And when it broke back above, I set my profit stop at 628, at 0.0628, and that's where I set my profit stop, and it hit there the next hour. So I was okay with that. That was a 2-to-1 ratio, so I was okay with that. The 2 big losses were trading directly out of the wedge without anything else. So there's big candle out of the wedge, I sold here, put my sell in, and then 2 hours later it was stop loss. Same thing with Bitcoin. Came out of the wedge, big candle out of the wedge, but it didn't make it to the support resistance, and 2 hours later stop loss. So those were the 2 big losses. Switching up to looking at solid horizontal support resistance lines, looking for entries where you have a rejection of a support and resistance has been a key for me now, and it's been my most profitable way to trade this. And on KuCoin, I'm going to look here. Yeah, so we are currently $1,004 on the ratio, or on the liabilities, with 1247, so $243 in, so $43, so 21.5% profit. So far this week, 21.5% profit. And this is going to be my last trade for the week, and I will tell you why. I have no idea what price action is going to do Sunday. Super Bowl Sunday. Most people watching TV at any given one point in time, everybody looking for the commercials. There is going to be $140 million plus of crypto commercials. I don't know if it's going to be crypto.com, FTX, whatever, I don't know. Multiple exchanges are probably all getting in on this. Don't allow the hype to make you go long and make you buy if there's a nice little spike, a nice little rally come Super Bowl or after the Super Bowl. Monday is likely to be a bloody day in the stock market, in the crypto market. We've got an emergency Fed meeting called Monday. There's likely going to be a 0.5% rate hike coming right off the bat. Monday, they're going to jump the gun and go right into the rate hike because of how high the inflation rate was last week. All the fear from Russia, Ukraine, still putting downward pressure on the market. So with all that being said, don't let some Super Bowl hype get you into a position where you make a move and you go long on a position on Sunday and you're down 25% before the end of the day Monday, because that would be likely where I would see things going. So with that being said, guys, that's it for today. Very quick run up, catch up on the trading challenge. 21% in the first week. I'm okay with that. We need to start things moving faster. We need to start getting bigger gains. But starting only 1 out of 4 was a tough way to start. But you adapt, you adjust, you change your strategy for the current market. And right now, I'm seeing support resistance lines being the winner. So as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you got something from this. And as always, until next time, peace.